Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Prominent Malawian prophet Subhas Busiri has dismissed the reports circulating in South Africa that he has lost a property worth 4.9 million rand, describing the claims as misinformation and misleading. In a statement posted on his official social media accounts, the ECG church leader said the narrative being paraded in the media does not reflect the facts of the matter. The statement being paraded in South Africa that I have lost a property worth 4.9 million is misleading and misinforming, Busiri wrote. The prophet clarified that he was not personally involved in the court proceedings and that the property in question belongs to the church's local branch, not to him directly. I was not personally in court regarding this matter. The property in question belongs to our branch and not me directly. In fact, the branch is already planning to purchase a new property, he said. Busiri also took aim at those celebrating the reports, calling the reaction absurd. Clapping and celebrating over the loss of a 4.9 million property is rather absurd. And even if it had been my personal property, it would be irresponsible to assume that such a loss would break me. Maybe in dreams, he added. The ECG leader urged the public and media to stick to the facts rather than create a misleading narrative around the situation. The statement comes amid ongoing legal and public scrutiny surrounding the Busiri family's affairs in South Africa. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.